Kaizen Doom here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm just going to be going over my trades today from this new combine. I actually switched my strategy up a little bit, basically trading, looking at higher time frame where it's going, and kind of having more of a step-by-step process. Usually, obviously, I've said before, I trade support resistance, and then I use breakup structure for my entries, and then I kind of rely on intuition to trade, right? But I kind of wanted more of a step by step process or whatever, so I kind of mixed things up. So essentially, what I did, I marked up the highs and lows from Sunday and Friday, and the most recent highs and lows, and I saw price had came down here and kind of swept this most recent low, right? Before market open with this candle, or at market open with this candle at 8 a.m., right? So once I seen this, even though I kind of had somewhere down here where price was marked up, if I go to the 1 hour, I had this high. I didn't even mark up the low up here. I had, I forgot what this was actually. So let me delete that. And I had these lows down here. So I was looking for price to come somewhere in this area anyway, um, to push back up. And we obviously needed to fill this gap, right? So once I seen price kind of come into this gap, like 50% of this gap, I was like, okay, I'm definitely probably looking for a buy, obviously, right? Now the I got in at break of structure. I mean at the break of structure. So at the break of this candle at 8:15, once price got up here, I got it for a buy. Price is still pushing up. It still might push up. And my last target was supposed to be up here. So I had three targets, by the way. Because my other target is supposed to be green. It was supposed to be here, here. But it might range today. We don't know. Anyways, I got in here as it broke this high of this wick. And for the first time, I kind of just scaled in with minis, micros, and let the trade play out. Now, on this 8:45 candle, Topstep literally froze. Topstep literally froze and pushed all the way down. But good thing I had my stop loss like somewhere in this area so I didn't get stopped out. And price pushed up. It stayed at this area for a while, so it's sort of like ranging. Like it still is kind of now. And then all of a sudden, um, I guess price must have already came up here and filled this area where my first TP was and my take profit was. So I got out for 1,000. So let me actually go to the trade so you guys see. 1,800 the last 2 days, 68% win rate, average loss 1.4, profit factor 3 to 2. I mean 3.2. Where is it at? It's gonna say a lot of trades. Oh, it doesn't say a lot of trades. So 7 trades today. Oh, I forgot I did enter one contract with NQ. But 7 trades today, right? Dang, I don't want to click on anything. So I scaled them with two, 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 two. And once it got to a certain area, because like I said, if I go back to the chart. Dang, I'm trying to zoom in. All right, there you go. When I was in this area, I was somewhere around this area. I don't know exactly here because I got in kind of late. So I think it was somewhere right here. Price was going against me. Like it would go my way and then it would go against me with this huge wick. And I was kind of just sitting on my hands because usually I would just move my stop loss up to take profit or stop loss profit. And I get stopped out for like $200. But I was like, nope, today I'm going to make a change. I'm going to sit in the trade regardless of what happens. And if it hits my stop loss, cool. If it hits my first TP or my second TP, cool. Because my first TP was determined on this happening right here. In case it come up here and starts rejecting it and we're in the little range for right now. Right? So I was sitting in this trade for a while without touching anything. And then once I seen like, okay, once I had saw that Top Step X froze and it was a huge sell candle, I knew that was to take out to sweep liquidity. So I scaled in with 4 more micros and then 5 more micros. Right. So it was pretty easy day. Honestly, one of the easiest days I've had trading. I'm switching up my strategy, like I said, to make my strategy more consistent and rely on my intuition while keeping everything, more simple in a sense. But that's it for the video. I'll see you guys next time. If you're interested in learning trading like this, click the link down in the description below. I should have a new video showing you guys how to trade exactly like this. See you guys next time. Peace.